Python Programming Language, OOP. Explore the core principles of object-oriented programming in Python. Classes serve as blueprints for creating objects, representing real-world entities. Objects are instances of these classes, with attributes storing their state and methods enabling actions. Inheritance allows classes to share and extend functionality. Derived classes can override methods and use super to call parent class methods, promoting code reuse. Encapsulation restricts access to internal data using private attributes. Getter and setter methods control data access and modification, enhancing security and integrity. Polymorphism allows method overriding, enabling different implementations. It supports multiple data types and promotes interface uniformity, allowing flexible function usage. Abstraction simplifies complex systems by hiding implementation details and exposing only essential features. Abstract classes and methods focus on relevant data and operations. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you like this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.